Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be showing you how to make a 406 core, like this, with all of this stuff. It would be yours, it wouldn't be a repack. So, the programs you'll need is CMake, C++, Skyfire DB, Release 15, and Skyfire EMU Master. I'm gonna keep these download links in the description, hopefully. So what we want to start off with is you want to Control C the file destination here, okay? X this out now. Go to cmake, paste this in here. Then paste this in here, okay? Then type /build. That's it. Now click configure once. Click yes once. Then click finish once. You will need Visual Studio 10 for this to work. Without C++, it wouldn't work. So that if it gives you an error and it doesn't start, that means you don't have the correct C++ thing. Okay. So this is what you need, okay? Keep it all like this. Don't touch anything. Okay, don't touch anything from here. And if you touch anything, just like if I touch this, just recheck it again. Okay? It should be like this. Click configure once again. Then after this is done. Now click generate once. Generating done, configuration done, script preparation complete. Now you could X this out. Go to Skyfire EMU, go to your build folder. This is where your core would be. So it's where your build would be and where your script making is, okay? So what you want to do, open Skyfire emu.sln. Now this popped up. It's your Visual C++ 10 Express. And so go to your Solution Explorer, right click, Solution, Skyfire EMU, okay, click Clean Solution. Oh no, scratch that, never mind. Go up here, click Release, okay, rebuild, do Clean Solution again. You should say Clean 16, 1 skipped, 0 failed. This is what it should say. Now, right click again, build the solution. I'll keep the time up just to show you how long it would take. Yeah, that's what should happen. If it gives you an error or anything, you must have the wrong EMU file then, and make sure you don't touch anything inside here. Just you could click, sure, but don't touch anything. Don't type anything. Okay? So I'm just keep my time up, and for this you would just need to, you could go get a sandwich or something or anything. So I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna just stay here and watch it. Oh, by the way, you guys could skip. Nothing's gonna happen here. It's just the same as it should. This just goes like faster or slower depending on your computer and your internet. So some people might have it like fast building, but mine might be slow. So now this is like, I don't know what this does, to say the truth. I believe it's for scripts and stuff. Yeah, that's what I believe, but I don't know. Um, all you could do is click in this. If I were you, I wouldn't type anything in there, or you would mess things up. I haven't tried that, but I don't wanna. But I'll try it soon, and hopefully I'll come back with a response. This is like to just do every boss. This is like to script every boss, script every place, every zone, every dungeon, every raid, everything. As you could see, if I scroll up, it would say boss Warbringer, Omrog. That's because, see, boss Laj. Those are just boss scripts. They're preparing it. This is just like a coder for it. I'm just looking at the lines right here. I'm just seeing how fast it's going. It's going pretty slow. This wouldn't be anything like a Turning on WoW repack or it should be like any other repack. The Turning on WoW repack was just it had different server names, like world server, instead of world, instead of world, it had PWoW Ant 46. Instead of characters, it had PWoW characters underscore 46. So this is different. This will be world and characters. See, now it's up to 14. So here it says 14, so I don't know, I believe it should go up to 17 or something. Yeah, see, it goes up to 17. In the end, it would say build 16 succeeded, 0 failed, 0 up to date, 1 skipped. That means it's perfect. Now you can X this out. Go up, you'll find a new bin folder. It wasn't there from before, if you realized. So now we go into the bin, go to release. This would be your core folder, as I have here. Here, see, if I go here, it's a core folder. So make a new folder, name it whatever, my new core. Just name it that. That's what I'm gonna name it. You guys can name it whatever you guys want. And now what you want to do, rename the authserver.conf.dist. Just remove the .dist. Click yes, and do the same thing to worldserver.dist. Then click yes again. Now what you want to do, go into your downloads folder. Well, it's my downloads folder. You guys might have it somewhere else. This is where I have it. You guys would have it somewhere else, so I'm just looking for somewhere as something. I'm sorry. I will keep this download link in the description for it. I can't find it. Yeah, here, Apache and MySQL bat. Okay, open this zip file, and what you want to do is drag this server inside here. You guys could make like a core folder to put this this stuff in, but I just like keeping it like this, so it's just easier to just access anything. Now it extract. Now it's extracting in here, and this is what should happen. Yeah, so now you have this. You could accept this. Go into your server folder. Open mysql.batch. Or run anyways, just like that. So now go to your core folder. Click allow access. Then go to your SQL. Go to your SQL editor. Mine is SQL Yog Community. Ooh, I forgot. What you want to do, go to authserver.conf. Scroll down until you find. Just keep scrolling down until you find login database info. Okay. I'm just rename it root, then accent. But what you guys don't want to do, you see these hashtags, don't write anywhere inside these hashtags. Just write here, right in this one, without the hashtags. Okay. Now what you want to do is save, X out, do the same thing to world server. See, here, login database info, world database info, character database info. So root. Okay, I'm gonna control C this and paste it here and here. The username and password has to be the same as you did for the auth server. So if you guys did something wrong, you guys have to go back there and edit, which is not that hard. Okay, so now that this is done, go to your SQL browser, new connection, new connection, yes. Then do the username, ASCNT. That's what I did. You guys could do anything you want, the username or password. But mine is ascent. Yes. Click yes for that. So now go here, make a create new database, name it AUTH, exactly like that, and create a new database, characters. Make sure you keep an S in the end of characters, because you guys, if you don't, it would just screw things up and not work. So now what you want to do, go to Tools, Execute SQL scripts. Okay, now go into your Skyfire EMU master, go to SQL, click on base, click on character database. click execute, then yes. It should execute things up, and it would this just makes like the tables inside. So now this click done, click on auth again, control shift Q. This is just a faster way of executing. Click on auth database, execute it, click yes. Now this got executed. Okay, now what you want to do, minimize this, go into Skyfire DB release 15, go to database installer update, and if you have a Linux, use this one, the Linux installer. But because I have Windows, I'm gonna just use database installer updater. Put your MySQL host address. So localhost. That one's for me. Username is root. Password is ascent. World database world. Then what you want to do is just click 1 and enter. It should install database files, and this is just like a faster way of installing the database. Because it's a huge database file. It contains all the items, all the huge pieces of data. So let that load. It should take a while because it's a huge SQL script. So. Okay, now your current 406 database is complete. Please check any Skyfire repository, SQL-updates. Press any key to continue. Just press any key and X out. Now what you want to do is the annoying part. Click control, go to your, refresh your browser, so click refresh object browser. Go to world, okay, control shift Q for execute. This is the annoying part that takes forever. Go to updates, go to world, execute everything in these. So, everything in here, and everything in here. Plus these three. So I'm gonna start with these three. So now I'm done with those. I'm gonna start with this. Okay, for this one it gave you an error, just click OK. Then just do the one after, which is game event. Click yeah. I just get confused. Game object, yes. I think I skipped one. Just execute all of them. You could do it twice. It wouldn't do a difference. It would just override it. If you get any errors throughout the process, don't be surprised. It's just normal. I get them too. Now that page is complete. Now it's for the next page. This is for the item template, which contains all the items. So this would take a while. just to make sure I didn't miss that one. Okay, that one gave you an error. That doesn't matter. So we just scroll down after that. I forgot which one I did. Learn spells. It's fine if you get an error. It wouldn't matter because the okay. So now we're done with that. Refresh object browser. Open your world database. Make sure it looks normal. So just scan down. Yeah, so it's normal right now. So now, it should be normal to log in. So check your auth. We have no accounts. Realm list 127.0.0.1. So now what you want to do, run your auth server, allow access, enroll server. Ooh, I forgot bmaps and mmaps. If you have any old existing repacks, you guys could just copy and paste, which I'm gonna do. So I'm just copy, just paste it. That's all you need to do. It's that simple. I don't want to pause it because I want you guys to see exactly what happens. So, yeah. Oh, about 13 minutes. I won't pause it. Okay. Okay, now I finished putting it. So now we could run the world server. It should run perfectly. If you have any errors, just check server.log, and it should show the errors, because server.log involves this to this. They both go to each other, so this should work. This red is okay. It's just normal. Just wait till it finishes. It's that easy. This still didn't finish. It should say in the end. Yeah, this didn't finish. If it stopped like this, now it finished, because this popped up. How you know that it's finished is world initialized in 47 seconds. World priority set high. Like that. So to make an account, create root ASCENT. Account created root. Okay. So now, oh no, I need to rerun my world server. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, so now we could close the release server out. Minimize these. Now what you want to do is go into any folder, any World of Warcraft folder you have in video. wow.exe, then log in with the account you created. ASCENT. Authentication success. Connected. Now I'm logged in here. Okay, now I made my rogue. yeah, that's how you make a core folder for yourself. So it isn't a repack, so you could just it isn't a repack, yeah. So has less bugs.
The past few years have seen unprecedented.
Now you could C++ work. I'm fully logged in. If you want to make your account a GM, you could go .account set GM level, then account ID, which is 1, then the highest is 5. So enter. No, I did it wrong. No, it's the opposite way. So .account set GM level 5 1. Or you could just do it from your SQL. Go to account access, then put ID 1, GM level 5, ROM ID -1. Now you could just log out. It takes forever. Okay, so if you log out, relog. Now I hope so, or if that doesn't work, you have to restart farm. So let's try .gm farm. Oh yeah, we're GMs now. So that's how you make your account a GM. And here's just a tip. Not a tip, like a fun thing. A cool thing. Not cool, just to help you out. Go to item template. So I just realized because I was trying to make an item. My past server. So if I scroll down, there would be stat unc 2 underscore 2 stat unc 1. In regular servers, in regular repacks, they don't have that. So to remove those, go to columns, right click, then manage columns. Scroll down until you find unc. So just click all the uncs, stat unc, I don't know how to say it. So now what you want to do, delete selected columns. Click yes, then save here. Now this isn't done, okay? What you want to do, scroll down. You see where it says stat value? Type int instead, okay? And instead of small int, just type int for every small int. Just for stats, int. Okay, now so the stat value stopped. You don't want to do int for anything under stat value. Then what you want to do is to make your values higher. Do you see where it says stat value? Change this to 20. So you could have 20 numbers in there for your stats. Okay, so convert the 6 to 20. Just Control C, Control V. Simple. Now that's done. You could just save again. Okay, table altered, saved successfully. Now we could just go here, close this, go to query, then refresh. Now it should be perfect. Now you can make an item without any mixed up or anything else. Yeah. So this is just a tutorial and on how to do it, and yeah. Anything else? No. So thanks for watching, and like or subscribe or anything. If you have any issue, just comment. I will try to fix. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Good night.